skin type is essential for developing an effective skincare regime. Here are some general tips for each skin type. Normal skin. Maintain balance with a gentle cleanser and moisturizer. Use SPF daily to protect against UV damage. Number second is oily skin. Oily skin use oil-free or non-comedogenic products to prevent clogged pores. Incorporate salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide control acne. Number third is dry skin. Hydrate with rich moisture containing ingredients like hyaluronic acid and ceramide. Limit hot showers and harsh exfoliates that can further strip moisture. Number 4 is the combination. Use different products for oily, dry skins. Focus on oily control in the T-zone while hydrating the cheek. Number 5 is the sensitive skin. Avoid hard ingredients such as fragrances and alcohol. Batch test new products and opt for soothing hypoallergenic formulations. Regular reassessing your skin condition and adjusting your skincare routine accordingly is to keep maintaining healthy, radiant skin. Consulting with a dermatologist can provide personalized and concern and achieving optimal skin health. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you soon.